The best Christian curriculum ever. Well, in today's video, I'm showing you my honest review plus flip through of the one we chose. So if you want a strictly Bible-based curriculum for your children, then keep watching. Hey, welcome to my channel. I'm Patricia Saintray. I'm a mom of 3, happily married, and I live in the UK. I film videos on homeschooling and motherhood. If you're interested, then please be sure to hit subscribe, like the video, and leave any questions you have below in the comments. I'll also be linking the website I purchased the curriculum in my description below, so you'll find the information right there. Let's get started. So there's literature and creative writing, Bible reading, then she has maths, of course, like it's important, you know, maths, English, science, those are important, it's all here. So she's got her maths. I hope it's, you know, showing you well. I'm trying my best. So she's got her maths and the score key. So I'll show you why I got a score key, because obviously the maths I can just get it, but I'll show you the reason why. So she's got maths, so that's 3 subjects. Then English with the score key, 4 subjects. Then science with the score key, 5 subjects so far. Then there's social studies. It's not with the key. Then there is word building, which is basically is a spelling, things like that, the sound. Then there is animal science and the pace for that as well. They're called PACEs, which means packets of accelerated Christian education. So that's what it means. So in word building, let me just show you how. So basically, I'm gonna write her name here, then I'll write the date of issue, then I'll write her test score when she does her test. So she has about 12 of these a year that she has to do. So this is the second one. Forget my math. So basically what you do, opening, so this is what's in there. I'm showing it to you guys to see. So it always has like a scripture there. Yeah, it always has a scripture in each page, and then like a character trait for the children to learn. And some of them have like songs in there. We learned a song on our piano. So she just goes through it herself, like it's an independent learning. It's more about learning than teaching. So we really love that. So on her goal card, which we set together because she's still young, she knows already what she's doing for each day. So she just goes, she takes it, she reads this page to me when she starts, then she gets on, and after a certain time they will ask her to score these pages. So she goes and she scores it herself. So the answers that she has written, she comes here in the score key, you see, to look for the answers. And then if she got it wrong, then she has to put like an X. So she's meant to use like a red, but we've been using pencils so that I can reuse these booklets. But I might just use red, you know. And then if I'm reusing them, then I'll just put like T-Pex. I'll see how that goes. So she puts an X, she has to put a red X there when she has marked it, an X in the middle one if she has to correct it. Then she goes back to the scoring table, and after she has corrected her mistakes, then she puts X. Then she has to circle the page to show that she has marked it, and then she has to circle the X that she has put where she got it wrong to show that, yeah, you know, and she's now corrected that mistake. So it's really good. So it's basically teaching them to know how to learn, to be independent, and she's got the grasp of it, to be honest. I do help her, like I sit with her and I do try and help her, but I encourage her a lot to try and work it out by herself. And most of the time she already knows, but she gets a little bit you know, children, she's 4 years old, she likes to have a lot of fun. So sometimes what motivates her is, oh, we want to go to the back garden, you'll get to do some arts and crafts, we're gonna go for a walk, you know, things like that. Then she's really motivated to finish quickly. but sometimes children are children. Sometimes she will just be long and she won't finish quickly, which is, yeah, all right. So when it comes, what I do, I take the, can you see here in the middle there is a test. This is the test that she would do at the end of the paste. So what I do when it comes, that's why I wanted to show you guys before she uses it. She's starting Monday. So I remove this. So all you do is you remove the test. You remove the test. This is the test, so it's not like a massive test. Yeah, so I remove the test, then I keep it somewhere safe. Only when she's done with her paste, then I give her, at the end of the paste there is a self-test. So this one she scores herself as well, and if she does well in the self-test, then she can proceed to the real test. The real test, she literally sits by herself to do it, and obviously I come in to check on her to see she's doing well, but she really does well, and she just gets on. And then yeah, basically then that's it. Then when she's done with the whole paste, which normally should take about 3 weeks, we'll see how long this takes for her. When she's done with that, then she moves on to the what? 15. Then we'll buy that one. The test key, yeah, the test key for word building is inside here. You see the score key, that's where the answers are. So the answers for the test is also in here. Here it is. That's the test key, so that's for me. So she doesn't get to mark her test, I get to do that and then tell her the results. As you can see, the last one she did really well, and she got a reward, so she looks forward to that. So basically when she does well, I'm supposed to give her a congratulations slip according to ACE and etc. So I will get that and be giving to her. Yeah. And then yeah, if you love scripture, if you love God, I'm sure you will love this as well. That's what I love about homeschooling, you know, I really do. Yeah, then the same thing, this is social studies as I showed you, so I'm just going through with you guys and taking it off. Okay, so quick question, what do you think about the curriculum so far? Would you buy it? Leave me a comment and let me know. So the cost of all this, I would say it is quite affordable if you buy it in bits instead of bulks, unless obviously you have saved up. So in each page, the scripture that I showed you, they have to like memorize that scripture and they have to say it to you. So as you can see, on each page, the same scripture that you saw is on each page, and they have to fill in the gaps. So in the last page, she really memorized all the scriptures and she was able to fill it in herself. And then the stories are so interesting, the characters, they're so interesting. She really loves them. There's like over 700 families now that are homeschooling using ACE in the UK, so you might find it interesting. So many resources that we get for them just to enhance their education, to make sure they're getting a full-time education, you know, that they can thrive in, you know. And then I know people worry a lot about the social aspect, but trust me, that's no problem at all. That's taken care of. I just thank God for my husband because he's good at math and he's good at teaching it. Like sometimes I'm just like, come on, just get it, but he's so good. And she gets it more when my husband like goes over it and explains to her, you know. I've separated them. So that's the pages and this is the score keys. So thank you for watching. I'll catch you in my next video. Maybe in my next video I'll show you how I use the goal cards and the supervisor's progress chart, the student chart, just to keep record. I hope this video has helped you get some ideas of what's included in the curriculum. If it did, be sure to give this video a thumbs up, and if you want more homeschooling and motherhood videos, then be sure to subscribe for more. Don't forget, I've linked the website in my description below, so check it out. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.